What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I know this is a different view from what y'all used to seeing. Today what we're gonna be doing, we headed to this meet. It's called a cruise-in meet. Usually this meet is like more of like an old head meet, like it's a lot of older guys with a bunch of classic cars, a lot of Corvette guys. But usually when I go, it usually be some really nice cars out there. I wanted y'all to see what they got, and hopefully some crazy stuff come out today. Sometimes it might be a few supercars, something like that, but nothing too crazy. But yeah, man, we headed to the meet now. I want to do more POV videos. I believe I'm gonna do a video very soon where I just driving, letting you guys hear the exhaust, things like that. I just want to start trying different things on the channel just to give you guys like a different, just something else to watch, things like that. So just leave a comment, let me know if that's something you would like to see. Alright, y'all, we made it here to the meet. Not gonna lie, this red on this vet is clean as fuck. Both of the reds on another one, the black is easy. Not gonna lie, this is my favorite Camaro of all fucking time. This shit clean as fuck. God damn. Oh my god. I want one of these so bad. Got the Acuras back here. Let's go check these out. These clean as hell. Got the Recaro seats. Can't even see in there. God damn. Nah. I'm not gonna lie. This is the only Mopar I care about. I don't care about Hellcats. I don't care about nothing else. Fucking bro. Damn, this bitch sexy. I know he keep this motherfucker in the garage all the time. This paint nice as fuck. Damn. This Chevelle right here clean as hell too. Jesus Christ, the black. Damn, that's clean as hell. God damn. Being here makes me want to get a old school classic car, the Mustang. The paint is mint on this car. Swear to God. Corvette gang. The Stingray right there. This Camaro clean, but this is a fat ass fucking tire. God damn. I don't like Benz at all, but this color on this is super clean. Is this a 53 or a 63? He debashed it. It's a 63 V8 by turbo. The color clean as hell, not gonna lie. That thing still look good. Jesus Christ. The Verzia one. But I'm not gonna lie. This red on yellow combo is so clean. Jesus Christ. I know we looked at these earlier, but golly, both of them got the Recaros. I kind of want one. I'm not gonna lie. I just would have went a little brighter bronze because it's kind of dark, but it's a clean spec. Clean as hell. This is a clean Audi right here. The Chevelle, that's a. But yeah, this meet always has a good turnout. A lot of different cars. You'll see newer, you'll see older. I love Camaro. Gotta have a whip for the kids up top. Come on, man. Alright, y'all. I stayed a little longer. Chopped it up with some of the homies and stuff like that. But we are finally leaving. The parking lot pretty much empty now. As you can see, it's pretty empty. Empty as fuck. But yeah, it was a pretty good meet. But yeah, man, that's gonna be it for this video here. If you liked the video, make sure you hit a thumbs up. Comment down below if you enjoyed it. That way I'll do more recordings at meets and stuff like that. Like I said, I will be starting to do like more POV driving, stuff like that. Maybe record some races. I just wanted to try something new, try something different. That way I'm not always just doing in the garage, boring videos like that. Like just being out and showing y'all other stuff I do besides just working on the car. But yeah, I'm really hoping like my wheels come in within like the next week or two, cause I'm like, it's been like 3 weeks since I ordered and they still haven't shipped them yet. I've been checking almost every day. So hopefully in the next video I'm showing y'all me getting my new wheels. But yeah, that's gonna be it. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Leave a like. Peace out.